Okay, y'all, good morning. I was just telling my freshman that I've left my apartment for the first time in 2 days to get a cup of coffee. And my favorite cafe in the city, Simple Pleasures, and it's like barren. They have the wife of the owner and the owner's nephew working, and no one else. And I give them my cup. They do everything. They pour the cream. They give it back. They're wearing masks and gloves. And there was only one other person waiting, and they were 6 feet behind. It's a trip. I hope they're okay. Because if you lose half your revenue in a month, that's tough. A lot of the restaurants in the city are boarding up. They don't expect to be open for a while, so interesting times. Anyway, I digress. I hope y'all are doing okay. So here's the problem. I hope you're okay with this one. This wasn't too demanding, I don't think. I could tell about what y'all submitted that was true. I'll be getting on that today. Credit for that starting the day. Anyway, you can assume that this is a rectangle. Alright? So we know these three angles are going to add to be 90. And since this is a rectangle, we know this is 4. And so notice you can use the tangent to get the angles A and B, and then you subtract from 90 to get theta, the angle in between. Right? So opposite over adjacent, so 3 over 4 is the tangent of A. And opposite over adjacent, so 4 over 7 is the tangent of B. Alright, and so then we take the inverse to get the angle. Alright, I got my trusty little calculator right here. Alright. Should be in degrees, I'm just making sure. Alright, so I normally would have this set up so I could just explain it, not waste you guys' time, but this is a simple enough problem. Alright, I'm just going to round to the seconds sig fig, the hundredths place value. And then the same thing, now it's 4 over 7. Alright. And B should be less because the ratio 4 to 7 is smaller than 3 to 4. Right? So remember the tangent. Right? When we're going from 0 to 90. At 45, that's when you have your isosceles triangle. So anything between 0 and 45, the tangent is less than 1. And anything between 45 and 90, the tangent goes from 1 to infinity. Alright, so just to get some bearings on this. Okay, now all you gotta do is that. Et voila! Alright, I gave y'all one today. Probably a little more demanding. I gave you a hint. I'll explain it tomorrow. Peace out.